Hi, Simon here from Perfect Pools. We're busy with one of our biggest projects here in Durbanville. And but before I carry on, let me show you what the pool looked like before we start, and then I'll come back to this video where we are basically halfway through it. So stay tuned, I'll be with you in a minute. Back again. So this is the halfway mark of the swimming pool. We've now done most of the work inside the pool. Steps is done. I'll try and get it into the frame. We're also busy putting up a in the pool bar area, which I'm going to walk into it now. And then we've also picked up all the old paving and copings, and we have now put down the brand new coping area. I'll also take some pictures to show you at the end of the video. Stay tuned. I'm going to go inside the pool and show you what we're busy with. Okay, I'm inside the swimming pool. We took the round area out there and we've closed it up. We put new steps in there, put new lights in there as well. And then obviously the customer wanted a bar inside the pool. So we have now started setting up the seating area, floor area. There's going to be a pillar in the middle here with a countertop. But you should be able to get some more information and what it will look like at the end of the video. So good morning, afternoon actually. It's quite a nice summer day in Cape Town, Durbanville. Good sun in your eyes. Project is I would say 45% finished with regards to the renovation of the pool here in Durbanville, and I thought I'll just do you a quick update of what we're doing. Is on that side there, I'm actually not going to get into the pool, but I'm going to show you quickly. Apart from the paving that we've done now, is the team is now building an indoor bar area. So that will be like a pedestal where the countertop will fit on top, and then there's a seating area for the customer. So that's it. I'm going to keep you in part of the story and the loop of what we're doing here. So stay tuned. I'll be back with you with some more footage behind the scenes. Simon here from Perfect Pools. We are finished with the pool here in Durbanville, and I'm super proud to show you the final product. Nice bar side at the end there. Pool done in white, because with the large pool it really looks nice, and when the lights are on in the evening it actually reflects it quite well. So remember, if you're looking to get your pool renovated, don't hesitate, give us a shout. And well, stay tuned. I'm going to show you some before and after pictures throughout this video at the end. From my side, have a great time, and if you really want it, click the link below. There should be some way to contact us. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Bye bye.